What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the myshedplans before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the myshedplans works. What is myshedplans? myshedplans is a program designed to guide people in building various wooden furniture from scratch, step by step. It caters to both beginners and professionals, helping them to expand, refine, and master their craft. This comprehensive program includes 12,000 detailed woodworking plans, providing exact instructions and materials needed to build a variety of wooden furniture. Does myshedplans work? Is it worth it? Yes, myshedplans is an affordable program that delivers on its promises. The plans come with detailed, step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. Each plan includes a complete and precise list of materials and cutting requirements, along with dimensional drawings and views from all angles. This ensures that you know exactly what you need to start building. You don't need prior experience to begin. Even amateurs can successfully build furniture with the help of the myshedplans guide. The detailed instructions and accompanying pictures make it easy to follow along and complete your projects. myshedplans money-back guarantee. The creator of myshedplans offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you purchase the program and are not satisfied, or if you don't like the content for any reason, you can simply send an email to the support team, and they will refund your money. This guarantee allows you to try the program without any risk. myshedplans review, final words. In summary, myshedplans is a product that genuinely works and delivers what it promises. It teaches you in detail how to build thousands of wooden furniture pieces in a practical and straightforward way, with detailed step-by-step instructions. If this review has been helpful, please leave a like. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.